Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, we are excited to be here today. We are from Miss Lockdown Group that we present our project which is Popular Bookstore Management System. And hi, my name is Nur Naimah binti Zainuddin and my role in this project is as database designer. I will design and maintain the database. Next, my members will introduce themselves and their role in this project. Let's begin with my friend Diana.
Okay, hi. My name is Nurul Jana binti Umar Nazir. My job in this project is as a database consultant. My role is to help the companies leverage database technologies to improve business process and achieve specific goals. Next, Linda will introduce herself.
My name is Shazlinda binti Abu Salam. My job is as a database analyst, which is my role is to develop database for decision support reporting. Next, Haifa will represent herself.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Haifa Izzati binti Muzaffar as a last presenter. Today I would like to present the report based on their queries. My project role is Cloud Computing Data Architect and role description is design and implement the infrastructure for the next generation cloud database system.
Okay, I am going to give you a brief overview of the project that has been accomplished so far. Before we go through the main point in this project. The reason why we designed the ERD is to get a full picture of entire database diagram. From ERD also, we can easily locate entities, view the attributes and identify the relationship between entities. The objective of the project are to improve the mood of organizing data into the system, to produce a system to assign the staff of company and to help boost the store operation. To fulfill this objective, we need to use database system, for example, Microsoft Access. Before start, we need to design the ERD. So I will open the Microsoft Access, which is include our ERD. Our system is organized the Popular Bookstore Management System, including customer, member, staff, book, purchase, payment, and stationery. And these are the two, which is query total book price and query total stationery price, will present by our next presenter. So, each entities have attributes. For example, customer table, the attribute is customer ID, customer name, and customer phone. Then we will locate the primary key in each table. For example, in member tables, member ID is a primary key. The company required the list of customer which is officially being member. Each customer each customer has a member card which is one-to-one relationship. A member card owned by a customer which is many-to-one relationship. Next, the company want to know the flow of purchase process. A customer can purchase many items, which is one-to-many relationship. Item will purchased by a customer, which is many-to-one relationship. A member will purchase many items, which is one-to-many relationship. Each item will purchased by a customer, which is many-to-one relationship. Many book can purchased by a customer, which is many-to-one relationship. Each customer can buy many book, which is many-to-many relationship. Okay, then this company want to organize the data in payment system. Purchase table act as bridge entity. Each customer make a payment, which is one-to-one relationship. A payment made by many customer, which is one-to-many relationship. Each customer pay for many stationery, which is one-to-many relationship. Furthermore, the Popular Bookstore Company want to produce the system to assign the staff. So, in our ERD, each staff can assign many customer, which is one-to-many relationship. A customer can assign by many staff, which is one-to-many relationship. Okay, so that is the overview of our ERD. I will pass this presentation to our next presenter, which is Diana.
I will be presenting about the forms in our application. There are 7 tables in our Popular Bookstore database system. Let me open our application first. Okay, the first form that I will be introduced is the login form. Our application login form is look like this, and we may enter user ID and password. User ID for our login form is user01, and our password is ICT450. Then we may click the OK button. And next it will lead to the welcome page. This welcome page allow you to see the user ID that has been entered in your application, which is user01, and our username is which is Miss Lockdown, and our status as an administrator. There is 2 button here, which is a form menu and report menu, where uh, where the staff may add or delete data as much as they can. The first we will be going to present about the form menu. There is 7 menu that I will be presented. First is which is the book catalog. Our book catalog form is look like this. Okay. The first form that I will be going to present in our application is the book catalog. Book catalog has these attribute names, which is book ID, ISBN, format, author name, publisher year, book price, bookstore, and book picture. There's also table of purchase, where this represent of the number of purchase that purchase this book. We may click on the next button, which appeal the next book. There is also an add button, delete button, save button, and close form button. We can print form and print record as well. Okay, next I want to present about the stationery catalog. We can click the close form and back to our form menu and click at the stationery catalog. This is our stationery catalogs look like. There is attribute names, which is stationery code, stationery name, stationery price, stationery stock, and stationery picture. As well as the book catalog, there is add button, delete button, save button, close form button, print record button, and print form button. We may print form and print our record if the staff really want to save their record and data. We want to be out of this form, we may click the close form and it will appeal the form menu. Okay, the third table is the customer details. This will show our customer details that consist of customer ID, name, and phone number. There is also add button, delete button, save button, and close form button. If you want to see the next record, you may click the next button here, or if you want to see the previous record, then you may click here. And it is also in an ascending order, which you can see if 001 here, and if you click the next button, it will be the 002. And you may click the print record and print form if the staff want to save the record in files or for future purpose. And then I will click the close form. Next, we'll be going to see the member details. Member details consist of attribute attribute names of member ID, customer name, member validity, address, and email. There is also add record, delete record, save record, and close form button. For add record button, it will be presented by our next presenter, which is Linda. There is also print record button and print form button. As you can see, this is our member details form record here. Okay, then click to close form, and next will be the staff details. Our staff details here, there is 10 staff details, 10 records of our staff details, which consists of staff ID, staff name, and our purchase table that is conducted by our staff. As you can see here, staff ID with 1001, which name is Siti Zahirah binti Mutalib, did conduct 5 purchase. There is also add button, delete button, save button, and close form button. As you can see here, this is our next staff details. Then click to the close form and click on the payment form. Okay, this is our payment form look like, which consists of attribute names of purchase ID, customer ID, total price of the book, and total price of the stationery, total amount and payment method that used by the customer. There's also add button, delete button, save button, and close form button. This is our next every purchase of our payment record. As you can see here, there's also payment method here. They can buy in our bookstore by debit card or credit card, which suit their preferences. Then we can click to the close form, and it will lead to the form menu, and we click to the purchase form. Purchase form here consists of purchase ID, customer ID, member ID, book ID, quantity of book, stationery code, quantity of stationery, staff ID, date of purchase, and time of purchase. Okay, here is an ascending order of our purchase form. And there is also add button, delete button, save button, close form button, print record button, and print form button. And this, we are back to our form menu. If you want to back to our home page or welcome page, we can click X button here, and it will lead to the welcome page. Next, I will let the next presenter to present about to add how to add data in each form that I have presented before. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain about how we can add the new data into this form. First, I will add the new data into this book catalog form, and I will enter the book ID, the ISBN number, the format of the book, author name, the publisher name, publisher year, price, book stock, and I will enter the book picture. Okay, now I will enter the book picture. We save the new data of the book catalog. Yes, it's already saved in this form. Okay, next, I will add the new data in the stationery catalog. I will enter the new stationery code. The stationery name, the stationery price, stationery stock. Then I will add the stationery picture. Okay, so I enter all the new data. I will click save button. So the new stationery data will save in this form. Okay, next I will add the new data in customer detail form. Okay, I will click the add button. So I will enter customer ID here. Customer name and customer phone number. After I enter all the new data, I will click save button to save the new data. So it successfully added in this form. Next, I will add new data into the member details form. Okay, I will add the record and I will enter the member ID. I will save the new data of member details form. Okay, so it's successfully added into this form. Okay, now I will enter the new data in staff detail. I will click into add button. So I will enter the new staff ID. So I will add the new staff to this form. So it successfully added the new data here. So I will close form. Now I will enter the new data into the purchase form. Okay. I will click the add button here and I will enter the purchase ID, customer ID, member ID, the book ID, quantity of the book. Now I will assume the customer will not buy any of stationery, so let I will not add the data into the stationery code, and quantity also 0, and I will enter the staff ID, date of the purchase, and time of purchase. So I will save the new data, so it's successfully added into this purchase form. So I will close the form. Okay, lastly, if we want to look, if the staff want to look to the payment form of the customer payment, just click to the payment form, and all the data and total amount, the total price stationery, total price of book is already here, and we can know the payment method also. So we just click to see the payment form of each customer. So that's all from me. I will pass the next presenter, that is Haifa. Thank you.
Okay, finally, I am last presenter. Okay, reports are objects within database that are used to present data in a way that is organized, intelligible, and to the point. They allow users to easily summarize the information in a database that is relevant to their needs by limiting the numbers of fields and records being displayed. Now, Naima will help me to share her screen. We will go to the report menu and go to the table report list book. Okay. Now, this is report of list of book. In this report, we list all the book title and its ID. Okay, this system is to make sure the staff of the company will easier to find the book title and also its book ID. Next, we will go to the report list of stationery. In the screen, this is the report list of stationery. Also same like the list of book. They have its own code and stationery name. Same as the list of book, it gives staff the stationery code and stationery name to make sure the system go more smoothly. Next, we go to the report balance book. As you can see, the report balance in stock. We have book ID, title, the ICBM, book stock, and total purchase balance. As example, if I choose the book ID, the first one, the book title is the Merawat Kehidupan dengan Ayat-Ayat Al-Quran, and it show the book stock. We have 79 stock of this book in our bookstore. So this report is show the balance of stocks of our book in our company. Last, I will explain the report total price of the purchase. This is my last report for total price. As you guys can see, this we have purchase ID, customer ID, total price book for each book, total price stationery, and total for overall. Also, we have payment method for each customer. For example, I take for the purchase ID of 0001, we have customer of 020, and he buys book for 85 ringgit in total, and also price stationery 7 ringgit 60. So the total for the both price is 92 ringgit 60 cent. The customer paid the purchase by cash. This is the example for the customer purchase one item. Other than that, there are many reports on, as you can see on report menu, like total book purchase, total book price, maximum of book quantity, maximum of stationery quantity, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, what I can conclude from our project, which is Popular Bookstore Management System, is that we are able to achieve the objective of the project and what the company wants. Hope you enjoy and get the input from our project. So that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.